Close your eyes and picture a cozy retreat nestled in the heart of the mountains, where the rustic charm of wood and stone creates a perfect haven. Today, we explore the allure of rustic mountain houses, where every detail is designed to bring the beauty of the outdoors inside. Welcome to Green Home Living. In the heart of a lush mountain forest, a wooden house with an outdoor fireplace offers a perfect retreat. Surrounded by towering trees, it promises solitude and peace. Nestled in a mountain valley, a small cabin with a flower garden in front exudes charm and beauty. A stone bench by the garden invites you to sit and enjoy the view. Set amidst a pine forest in the mountains, a wooden house with moss-covered walls provides a serene escape. A hammock strung between two trees invites you to relax and unwind. A simple wooden cabin with a stone pathway leads to a green mountain view. Birds perch on the roof, filling the air with their cheerful songs. On a serene mountain slope covered with towering pine trees, a log cabin with a stone chimney sits peacefully. Smoke rises lazily from the chimney, promising warmth and comfort within. A wooden house with a fish pond in front offers a peaceful retreat. Surrounded by a forest in the mountains, lily pads float gently on the pond's surface. We hope you enjoyed this look into the world of rustic mountain houses. If you dream of creating your own mountain retreat, let us know in the comments. Remember to like and subscribe for more home inspirations. See you in the next video.